You know, I just love the work and the heart of this guy, Uzita Kwinika, because some of us kept defending this guy, saying he's not a terrible player as abanye abantu bebefuna simcabange kanjani. The fact that you are in defense and you are conceding goals does not necessarily make you a bad player. It just makes you part of a team that has not done well in defending. Yabo. I would say when uyi-one, you are just a bad player, you are horrible, you are terrible. This guy has got leadership. This guy can make good passes. This guy can make tackles. It's just that Chiefs was at a time la beyingenzi kahle khona and ngebhadi labo benongezane, they were just singled out njengabantu who are just terrible. And funny enough, abanye abantu ebebedlalela i-Chiefs bahamba kodwa bona they remained. Ungezane got a better offer, wahamba wayoba i-defender of the season. Well, since ahamba kwi-Chiefs, he's winning the league. That tells you ukuthi he was never a bad player. He was just part of a team that was not doing well. And I just love his heart nokubekezela kwakhe nongalahleli ilentuzana ithawula, because abanye abadlali mabeficwa isikhathi sikanje uthola sebelwa nama-fans nawo yonke into, but uya-understand ukuthi sometimes it's not even inzondo kubalandeli, but it's just the passion yabo ukuthi ufuna ukubona i-team yakhe yenza kahle ngaso sonke isikhathi. And Uzitha understands that yabo, even bemnikeza ibhande uMiguel is saying, hey Zitha, you've been here, you've been serving this club, nali ibhande, lead the team. And it takes the belt, the captain's armband, he takes it, ufake engalweni yakhe, and he leads the team. Since i-Chiefs ibuyile asika-concede goal, and we have to give credit where it's due. Zita, they are doing good work lapha. Aiden, Cross, Paseka, Hakim, Umonyane, they are doing great work lapha, and we must commend such guys for not giving up on the bench. Ikhosi aliphele umoya.